We can study physiology using two main approaches: the teleological approach, which asks the why behind a function, and the mechanistic approach, which addresses the how. Physiology is very closely related to anatomy. Anatomy focuses on structure, while physiology examines function, illustrating the inseparable link between structure and function in the body. The syllabus for general physiology covers several topics, including homeostasis, body fluids, the structure and function of the cell, transport across the membrane, and membrane potentials. The functional levels of organization in the body range from the smallest to the largest, starting with the chemical or molecular level and progressing through cellular, tissue, organ, body system, and finally the whole body level. The transition from a unicellular to a multicellular organism involves multiplication, where cells divide, and differentiation, where they specialize into various cell types for different functions. The typical cell structure includes limiting membranes and cell organelles, which can be either membrane-bound or without a membrane. We will explore the structure and functions of these organelles. This illustration provides a visual overview of various organelles within a typical animal cell. This diagram illustrates the main parts of a cell, including the nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, and various organelles like mitochondria and the Golgi apparatus. The cell performs numerous essential functions, such as obtaining oxygen and nutrients, performing chemical reactions, eliminating waste, synthesizing proteins, controlling material exchange, and reproducing. Other functions include endocytosis, which can be pinocytosis, receptor-mediated or phagocytosis, and exocytosis. Cells also use intercellular junctions and movements of cilia and flagella. This diagram shows the cell membrane and its importance in maintaining the composition of the extracellular fluid, or ECF, and the intracellular fluid, or ICF. Intercellular communication occurs through various means, including paracrine, endocrine, and neurocrine signaling. Another aspect of cell communication involves the transport of substances across the cell membrane. Methods of transport across the cell membrane are broadly classified as passive or active. Passive transport includes diffusion, osmosis, and filtration. Diffusion can be simple or facilitated. This image summarizes the processes of diffusion and active transport. Diffusion includes lipid-soluble transport, water-soluble transport through channels, carrier-mediated transport, and osmosis. Active transport includes primary and secondary active transport. Transport mechanisms are further categorized into uniport, symport, and antiport based on the direction and number of substances transported. Substances are transported across the membrane for two primary reasons: to support chemical reactions and to generate electrical potentials at the membrane. This diagram illustrates the fluid compartments and their volumes. Extracellular fluid makes up 14 liters, or 1/3 of the body's total fluid, and is comprised of plasma and interstitial fluid. Body fluid compartments account for 60% of body weight. The intracellular fluid, ICF, is 2/3, and the extracellular fluid, ECF, is 1/3. ECF includes interstitial fluid, plasma, and transcellular fluid. These are measured by the dye dilution method. Key terms in physiology used to describe the concentration of solutions include molarity and normality, osmolarity and tonicity, and pH and buffers. Terms used in homeostasis include milieu interior, parameters, the role of each system, and controlled mechanisms. Mechanisms involved aeronegative and positive feedback and feed-forward mechanisms. We also consider gain and limitations.